Hello students, how are you? Let us see. In previous video, we have seen about the endoplasmic reticulum. In this video lecture, we will study about a very important cell organelle, that is Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Students, as we discussed that in endomembranous system, Golgi body also include. This Golgi body was discovered by a scientist and his name was Camillo Golgi. In 1898, he has discovered the Golgi body. On his name, the apparatus of this cell is known as Golgi body. Students, as we have discussed that this Golgi body work together with the endoplasmic reticulum, I have drawn the structure of Golgi body. Let us see. It also consists of cisternae, vesicles and vacuoles. Let us see the structure, students. This is stalk-like structure. You can see here. This stalk-like structure is cisternae. These are the vesicles and vacuoles. How this Golgi body work? There are two phases. One is cyst phase or forming phase. Another is trans phase or maturing phase. We will discuss in detail in this figure. What happens? This cell organelle Golgi body also attached with the nucleus. Near the nucleus, it is present near the nucleus, and there are two phases. One is cyst phase or forming phase, that is towards the nucleus. Another is maturing phase, which is towards the plasma membrane. How it works, students? Let us see. I have drawn this figure. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and we have discussed that this rough endoplasmic reticulum is helpful in the synthesis of protein due to presence of ribosomes, as we discussed in earlier lecture. When these proteins are synthesized by the rough endoplasmic reticulum or the lipids synthesized by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, then it is transported to the different cell organelles or different cell across the plasma membrane. In that situation, it is not directly transported to different cell organelles or different cell. There is need of packaging, modification and transportation, and it is done by the Golgi body. The main function of this Golgi body is packaging, modification, transportation. We will study that it is helpful in the transportation of cargoes. What is cargoes? We will discuss later. But let us see what happens. This endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the synthesis of protein and lipid. These protein and lipids are transported to the various cell organelles and different cell. Not directly it is transported. What happens? Let us see. This is the cyst phase or forming phase. We know that this phase is near the nucleus. So from here, this manufactured protein are transported via these vessels. You can see these are the vesicles. These vesicles transport the protein synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum or lipid synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and through these cisternae, I have mentioned here, this stalk-like structure is cisternae. These vesicles transported, and there is the modification of these substances in the cisternae. There is the modification, there is packaging and transportation also. You can see here, these are the vesicles, secretory vesicles. I have mentioned here secondary vesicles. These secretory vesicles transported the proteins or lipids to the various cell organelles. It is also transported to different cell organelles across this plasma membrane. Let us see, this is the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. These proteins are transported to different cell organelles as well as to different cells. This is the function of this Golgi body, students. Now we will see in detail about the lecture. Students, this Golgi body is a type of cell organelle and it is present in only eukaryotic cell, not in the prokaryotic cell. It is present only in eukaryotic cell, but it is not present in the mammalian RBC. Mammalian RBC means RBC of the mammals, and it is also not present into the sieve tube of plants. A new word, sieve tube. What is the sieve tube? We will study in next chapter, tissue. That what is sieve tube? Students, this Golgi body consists of, you can see here, vesicles, cisternae, vacuoles and tubules also. In plant cell, there is the another name of this Golgi body. The reason is that in plant cell there is the consist of several freely distributed subunit, and these subunits are called dictyosomes. Means the another name of this Golgi body in case of plant cell is dictyosomes, students. This Golgi body work together with the endoplasmic reticulum, and mostly the function of this endoplasmic reticulum I have mentioned here. It help in the storage, modification, packaging and transportation of the products. What are the products? That products are the proteins and lipids synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is helpful in the formation of protein and lipid, and it is transported by the Golgi body. Students, this Golgi body also perform a very important function. It helpful in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. Also, it help in the formation of acrosomes in sperms. Acrosomes, students, we will study in next chapter that what is the acrosomes. In sperm there are the acrosomes, the head-like structure, and cell plate during cell division. What is cell plate? When there is the cell division in case of plants, then there is the formation of cell plate between two cells. At that time, this Golgi body is helpful. Students, simply we can say that Golgi body perform a function of transportation of cargoes. I have discussed about the cargoes, कच्चे माल जो बनते हैं, जिससे सामान बनाए जाते हैं, उन कच्चे मालों को मालवाहक पोत से ढोया जाता है, कैरी किया जाता है. तो उसी तरह से हमारे बॉडी में यह Golgi बॉडी भी फंक्शन करता है. As we have studied that it is helpful in the transportation of cargoes of the product in the cell of our body. This is the Golgi complex, a very important. Sometimes question arise, what will happen if there will be no Golgi body? It is given in your textbook also, students. We can say that if there will be no Golgi body, then there is no transportation, packaging, modification, there is no formation of plasma membrane, there is no formation of cell wall, there is no formation of sperm, and we can say that there will be no formation of lysosome also. I have mentioned here, this Golgi body is also helpful in the formation of lysosome by the help of this secretory vesicles. It is helpful in the lysosome. Means lysosome is also involved in the endomembranous system. We have discussed earlier. Now we will see the next topic, that is lysosome. As we know, students, lysosome is also a very important cell organelle of our body. We will see. There is no need to draw the structure. Only we will see in detail. We have studied that in our body there are some organelles which are double membranous, there are single membrane, and there are no any membrane. This lysosome have single membrane structure. I have mentioned here lysosome. Lysosome. It is discovered by a scientist D. Dewey. There was a scientist who has discovered the lysosome, and his name was D. Dewey in 1955. After the invention of electron microscope, he has discovered the lysosome. Students, we know that this lysosome is a very important cell organelle. Simply we can say that it is also present in the eukaryotic cell. It is not present in plant cell also, students. It is present in animal cell. It has single membrane. It has single membrane. It has single membrane. Not only this, students, this endoplasmic reticulum have many type of digestive enzymes. This endoplasmic reticulum have many type of digestive enzymes, and these digestive enzymes help in the digestion of waste product or in many functions also. One by one we will see this endoplasmic reticulum. You can see here lysosome is a dark generally spherical and single membrane structure. Generally spherical spherical in structure. Let us see, students. It is also called as the suicidal bag of cell. Suicidal bag or disposal bag also. This lysosome is formed by the vesicles of Golgi body, and as we have discussed that it has many type of digestive enzyme which work in hydrolytic medium. It has many types of digestive enzyme which work in hydrolytic medium. Which type of digestive enzyme? We can say that proteinase, lipase, carbohydrates, sulfatase, etc. There are more than 40 type of digestive enzyme are secreted by the lysosome, and these lysosomal enzyme is helpful in many functions. One by one we will see. We can see, students, this endoplasmic reticulum involved in intracellular digestion. We can say function. It help in intracellular digestion. What is intracellular digestion, students? When any type of foreign material like bacteria or other substances enter into the cell, then it was digested by this lysosome. Sometimes the worn out cell or dead cells are present in the cell. That worn out cell or dead cell are also digested by the lysosome. During starvation, the cell digests its own also. Students, sometimes in case of starvation, the cell digests its own cell organelle through the lysosomal enzyme, and it is known as autophagy. How can we write? We can write here, during starvation, the cell digests its own and through lysosomal enzyme. It is called autophagy. Underline it. It is very important, students. What happens during starvation? The cell digests its own through the lysosomal enzyme, and it is called as autophagy. Autophagy. When the cell is digested, the lysosomal by the help of lysosomal enzyme, the whole cell. This process is known as autolysis. Students, this lysosome is also called as the suicidal bag. The reason is that why it is called as suicidal bag? When there are many type of waste product and there are many worn out cell or dead cell present in the cell, at that time this lysosome bursts itself and many type of enzymes start to release and digest the waste product and the dead cell or worn out cell, due to which it is known as the suicidal bag or disposal bag of cells. Sometimes question asks why this lysosome is called as the suicidal bag of cell. This is the reason. That's why it is called as the suicidal bag of cell cells. Okay, thanks. In next video we will study about the mitochondria, plastid, etc. Students, one thing I want to say, please see this lecture. If there is any doubt, you can write in comment box. You should subscribe the channel to know about the new videos. Okay, thanks.